Hey there! Thank you for watching my new video. Today I want to show you a new stitch, and it's this one. It's the wide checkerboard stitch, and you can see it looks a little bit like a checkerboard, but the pattern is a little bit wide, so wide and a little bit narrower on the top, so in height. So this is what I want to show you, and before I'm going to do that, I want to ask you if you could subscribe to my channel and turn on a notification so you get a message when I upload a new video. And well, for now I'm going to show you how to crochet this wide checkerboard stitch. I've got some yarn. I've got a crochet hook of 4mm, and first I'm going to make a slip knot. And this pattern calls for a multiple of 10 plus 6 chains. So first we're going to make a multiple of 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to make it this wide, and now I'm going to add 6 more chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, the original pattern calls for a plus 5, but you're gonna skip that first stitch, and that would be a stitch you need to put your last stitch in when you crochet the next round. So I didn't like that, so I added up 1 more chain. So we're gonna skip that first stitch, and the next one make a single crochet. And in the next 4 stitches make 1 single crochet. So this is 3, 4 and 5. So in total you need to have 5 single crochets. And we're going to alter between single crochets and double crochets, and also always in a group of 5. So on the next 5 stitches we're going to make a double crochet. So this is 1 double crochet. Here's 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 double crochets next to each other, and just alter until you are at the end. So in the next stitch make a single crochet, and in the next one a single crochet, in the next one single crochet, the next one a single crochet, and in the next one a single crochet. So you have 5 single crochets next to each other. Now for the next 5 stitches make 1 double crochet in every stitch. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now I have 5 stitches left. I'm gonna make 1 single crochet in every next stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here is how it looks. So you started with 5 single crochets, so you are ending with 5 single crochets too. So for row 2, chain 3, turn your work, and this chain 3 counts as a double crochet on top of that very first stitch. So we're going to skip that first stitch, and in the next 4 stitches that are the single crochets from the previous row, we are going to make 1 double crochet in every stitch. So that counts as 5 double crochets next to each other, because that chain 3 counts as a double crochet. So you can see that on top of every single crochet you're going to make a double crochet. So that means that on every double crochet of the previous row you're going to make a single crochet. So for the next 5 stitches make 1 single crochet, 3, 4 and 5, and just alter this until you are at the end of the row. So for the next 5 stitches make 1 double crochet, and 5. Okay, something happened to my camera, but it was the 5th double crochet. So for the next 5 stitches, make 1 single crochet in every stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And for the last 5 stitches, and you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, and your last one is a normal single crochet. So the original pattern called for 1 less chain, so you needed to make the last stitch into that chain you skipped, but I didn't like that how it looked, and it's easier to just have 5 normal stitches. So I'm gonna make double crochet in every next stitch. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and here's the last one. Here's 5. Now for row 3, so you're gonna repeat rows 2 and 3. So we ended with a double crochet. That means we need to start with a single crochet row. So chain 1 and turn your work, and I'm not gonna count this chain 1 as a stitch because I want to have it as easy as possible to make your stitches in your crochet work. So in the first stitch we're gonna make a single crochet, and in every next 4 stitches make 1 single crochet. So we've got a total of 5 single crochets next to each other. So we always make a group of 5. Now for the next 5 stitches, make a double crochet in every stitch. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now for the next 5 stitches, make a single crochet in every stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. For the next 5 stitches, make a double crochet in every stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now for the last 5 stitches, you can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochets and a chain 3. So in the first 4 double crochets we're going to make 1 single crochet on top of that stitch. This is 3 and this is 4. And don't forget to make your last single crochet in the top of the 3 chains. So here is your 5th single crochet. And just repeat row 2 and 3. And in my opinion, to end with row 2 is the nicest straight edge for your crochet work. So if you want to stop your work, stop with row 2. So continue now making rows 2 and 3 until your work is big enough, and then you are done with the white checkerboard stitch. So I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me them in the comment section below. And for now, I just wish you happy crocheting. Bye bye.